Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Zolino bracelet. And even though it looks quite complicated and has quite an unusual shape for a friendship bracelet, it is really easy to make. To make this bracelet I am using anchor thread and multicolor thread by KreationKaos. And I will link them both in the description below. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. I am using 6 strings, each about 200 centimeters long, folded in half, to make this bracelet. And I started this bracelet with a basic loop. If you do not know how to make it, check out the first 2 minutes of the tutorial listed in the upper right corner to learn it. But you can start this bracelet with twisted ties or any other kind of loop as well. First, tape down the loop and connect two sides of the bracelet with a square knot. To do so, take one string from the left side and cross it over your middle strings. Then, take your right string, place it on top of your left string and put its end underneath the left and middle strings and through the loop the left string has created. Then pull the ends of both strings until the knot is done. Then do the same on the other side. Take the right string and cross it over your middle strings. Then take your left string, place it on top of your right string, and put its end underneath the right and middle strings, and through the loop the right string has created. Then pull the ends of both strings until the knot is done. After you decide in which color order you would like to knot the bracelet, make a shape start based on it. I'll start on the left side and make a backward-forward knot with the first color onto the rest of the strings. Put that string to the side, take the next color and make a backward-forward knot onto the rest of the strings. Put that one to the side as well and then repeat the same with the rest of the strings, making backward-forward knots onto the rest of the strings based on the color order you decided on at the beginning, until there is only one string left at the edge. Then repeat the process on the right side, but instead of making the backward-forward knots, make forward-backward knots onto the rest of the strings based on the color order you decided on at the beginning. Now we can begin making the first of the two parts this bracelet consists of. In the first part, we knot vertically. Take the first string from each side and make a forward knot with the left string onto the right string. And put them to the side like this. Then take the next two strings and repeat the process. Do the same with the rest of the strings except for the last strings on both sides, in this case whites, which we are going to leave as they are. Then we start knotting, and we will start with the left side first. As I mentioned already, we will knot the first part vertically, which means that we will take the first two strings and make a forward knot with the first string onto the second. Put the second one to the side, take the third string and make a forward knot with the first string onto it as well. Then do the same with the fourth, fifth and sixth string, and your first vertical row is done. Now, put the string which you use for knotting to the side and then repeat the process. But instead of making 5 knots, you will make 4 knots, as you are not making knots onto the string we just put to the side. Take the first two strings and make a forward knot with the first string onto the second. Put the second one to the side, take the third string and make a forward knot with the first string onto it as well. Then do the same with the fourth and fifth string. And your second vertical row is done. Put the string which you use for knotting to the side and then repeat the same for the next 3 vertical rows, until there is only one string left on the edge. When you are done with the left side, move to the right side and do the same. Just instead of making forward knots, make backward knots. And the first part is done. Now we can move to the second part, and in this part we knot horizontally. We will start on the left side again. Take the most outer string on the left side and make a forward knot with it onto the second string. Put the second one to the side, take the third string and make a forward knot with the first string onto it as well. Then do the same with the fourth, fifth and sixth string, and your first horizontal row is done. Then put the string which you use for knotting to the side and then repeat the process. But instead of making 5 knots, you will now make 4 knots. And as you are not making knots onto the string we just put to the side. Take the first 2 strings and make a forward knot with the first string onto the second. Put the second one to the side. Take the third string and make a forward knot with the first string onto it as well. Then do the same with the fourth and fifth string, and your second horizontal row is done. Put the string which you use for knotting to the side and then repeat the same for the next 3 horizontal rows. Once you are done with the left side, move to the right side and do the same. Just instead of making forward knots, make backward knots. And the second part is done. Then continue making the first part, then the second part, until you are satisfied with the length of your bracelet, when you will finish it with twisted ties. And your Zolino bracelet is done. Do you like it? Have you tried making it already? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like, comment, subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!